And today, Carter and I are going to show you this mini basketball game. That's right, you're going to get a goal, you're going to get 4 balls. Some light assembly is required, but not very hard. Carter did it on his own, so how hard can it be? Not at all. So this is what you're going to get basically. It's a polycarbonate backboard. It does have an electronic timer in it, so it can time your games. It's got the door hooks that hang on the door in the back. You have a metal rim with a real net, and you also have a spring inside the rim too that kind of locks it into position and will absorb any shock if somebody pulls on it. How cool is that? And then you can also push it down and pull it up, and it will hold itself in the upright position. So if it's on the back of the door and you open the door, you're not going to put the rim of the basketball through your wall or mark your wall up or tear your wall up or anything like that. So very well made little mini goal. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead, we're going to hang this on the back of the door. We're going to shoot a few hoops and show you how to use this thing. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, so let's do it. So all you have to do after you assemble it is you just simply hang it on a door. And you do have the metal hooks in the back, but you also have these foam pads that will go between the backboard and your door to protect your door from any impacts as well. Then you just shut your door, pull your rim down to lock it into position, and you're ready to go. So you got your little switch on the bottom down here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on and activate a game. I'm going to take 2 balls. Carter's going to take 2 balls. We're going to take some shots at this thing and see who can get the most. You ready? I'm going to get the one off the floor. You hold those 2. You ready? All right. Let's do it. Oh. Oh, I started early. Now we go. Oh my goodness. I can hear the NBA calling right now. Oh, you made one.
2.
You can't underhand them. I've made none. Carter's made none. I'm going to try the Carter technique. Oh, there's one for Carter. 2 for Carter. I can hit the broadside of a barn. We only got 30 seconds. I'm so far behind I don't think I'll ever catch up. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got 2 in a row. Crunch time. I think I found my form.
Oh God, we're tied.
We're tied.
Yep.
8 seconds. 4. Next goal wins. Oh, nothing but net. But there you go. So as you can see, a very well thought out product. It's got all the safety features with the foam on the backboard to protect the door. The fact that you can just pull this down. And fold the goal up, and it's not going to hit the wall or anything when you swing it open. When you're ready to play, you just pull it down. You're good to go. It's got the electronic modes to add that little bit of excitement. It's great for college dorms. It's great for bedrooms. If you're that kid at heart, you can put it in your office if you want to. Just a really fun little game. Nice little rubber inflatable balls. They're low impact. They're not going to scuff or mark the walls up. And it's just a good time to be had. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.